The Supreme Court has admitted petitions challenging the recently passed Waqf Amendment Act 2025, and on Wednesday, it indicated that it may stay the operation of certain provisions of the law, citing what it called exceptional circumstances. Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna made a significant oral observation saying, and I quote, "We do not steer legislation normally at this stage of the challenge unless in exceptional circumstances. This appears to be an exception. Our concern is that if Waqf by user is denotified, there could be huge consequences." The three-judge bench hearing the case, comprising Chief Justice Khanna, Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar, and Justice K.V. Vishwanathan, said that if an interim order were to be passed, it would focus on three key issues: the removal of the concept of Waqf by user in the 2025 Act, the status of disputed lands as declared by the collector, and representation of non-Muslims on Waqf boards and the Central Waqf Council. The bench was on the verge of dictating an interim order when Solicitor General Tushar Mehta requested additional time to be heard. Responding to that request, the court said it would resume the hearing at 3 p.m. on Thursday before passing any formal order. The bench also indicated that it would decide on whether to continue hearing the batch of petitions itself or to refer the matter to a high court for detailed consideration. Outside the legal arguments, the bench voiced concern over recent violence in West Bengal related to the Waqf Act. In particular, Chief Justice Khanna said the situation was, and I quote, "disturbing." End quote. This comes after protests against the Waqf law turned violent in Bhangar South 24 Parganas district, where police vehicles were vandalized on Monday. Solicitor General Mehta added a sharp comment of his own, saying there is a phenomena that you can pressurize the system, in apparent reference to the protests. With tensions on the ground and constitutional questions now before the highest court, all eyes are on Thursday's hearing for the next move on a law that has stirred legal and political controversy across the country. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story.